This is a continuation of the Pythagorean theorem video, and so just as a review, we're going to be solving for this hypotenuse. So we'll say that this is A and this is B. So A squared, so 5 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared. And so I would square 5 times 5, 25, and square 12. 12 times 12 is 144, and that equals C squared. So this adds up, and it should equal 169. So 144 plus 25 equals 169, and that equals C squared. Now I'm going to take the square root of this and the square root of this, and so I go second square root, 169, and that equals C equals 13, and it's centimeters. Make sure you put your units. It's always length, so 13 centimeters. And then you're going to have word problems with these. And this one, you're solving for the hypotenuse. And this is whenever you're dealing with the volume of something. So Dan wants to pack a fishing pole in his suitcase. So suitcases would look something like that. It would be a rectangle. When he goes on vacation, if the suitcase measures 24 inches long and 18 inches high, how long would the fishing pole that he could pack? Well, his fishing pole could actually go diagonally, and so that would be the hypotenuse, and find the diagonal of the suitcase. And so anything that's going in something that can go diagonally, you'd be finding the hypotenuse. So I'm going to do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And so 18 squared plus 24 squared equals C squared. So I'm going to have to do that on the calculator because I don't know what these are. So this is 324, and 24 squared would be 576, and I'm going to add those together to get, I'm going to add those together. 324 plus 576 equals 900. 900 equals C squared. So I'm going to take the square root of 900 and the square root of C squared, and so C would equal 30, and it's inches. So his fishing pole could be 30 inches. So this is kind of a medium-sized suitcase. I don't know if that's going to be long enough. But the answer is right here, C, 30 inches. And 900 is what it is before the square root. That's squared, so before the square root. And then I don't know, I guess 42 is by adding them together, and I don't know where 16 was coming from. So you're going to have these word problems, and it's best to draw a picture, always draw a picture, label it, and see what you're doing. And make sure and use the formula. Put in the numbers, substitute the numbers, and find the answer.